Hi, Sophia here. If you love jewelry as much as I do, you're going to be glad you're here today because I have the most gorgeous jewelry to show you. It's by a company called Gona, and their slogan is Gona, gonna be you. And that's their vision for their brand. They want you to be able to show your unique personality through their jewelry. And the products are crafted in a way that you can pick and choose and create your special style. I'm going to do an unboxing with you and show you the two pieces that I have for you to see. They are gorgeous. I'm in love with what I chose. I also have a fabulous coupon for you, 20% off, very generous, and they're having a sale right now. So I think you're going to have a blast shopping there like I did. It comes in this little box. It says Gona. Have a nice day. This is the packaging. Love the message. So lovely. The whole brand stands for highlighting your personality, and I really love that. I chose the maritime theme for the bracelet. I'm going to show you first the most gorgeous box. This is the one for the bracelet. And the reason I chose the sailing bracelet is because I love the ocean. I love being out there, the freedom, the fresh air, the smell of the ocean, and just feeling so incredibly free. And when I saw this jewelry on their site, it was a hard choice, trust me, because there were many others I would have chosen. But this one stood out to me, and I especially loved the colors of it. I don't have anything in this beautiful navy. It's like a lapis lazuli color. The bracelet has a braiding all around it that is so gorgeous with charms. These charms are different nautical themes. You have an anchor with a tiny little baby anchor there. You have a buoy. You have another little captain's wheel, I believe. And these two little locks with the chain are what keeps these beads on the bracelet. As I said, the bracelet is fully customizable. You can add as many charms as you want to this bracelet. These are the first three that they start with. Then the back has this beautiful clasp on it that has a G for Gona. It's a very secure bracelet. There's a little area here that has a dent in it where you put your nail in and press. So it opens up and you can slide this off also by opening it. So you open it up, slide out your beads, put as many as you want on. If maybe one day you just want to wear one, all three, two of them, you can customize it as much as you want, add as many beads as you want. Some of the bracelets are just all beads. They're so stunning. This one is just beautiful because I love how it looks with my silk top. I'm going to put it on now so you can see how absolutely gorgeous it is, and then we'll move on to the next piece. The sparkle, the luster, just beautiful. The other side is so beautiful as well. Wearing it just makes me so happy. It's so pretty, it's so original. Each piece is a little work of art. All the enamel and inlay work on each of these charms is meticulously crafted under a microscope. So that results in a truly unique piece for you. Every way it falls, you will have a beautiful view of the jewelry and the craftsmanship on it. This braiding is so pretty as well. It's shiny, it's just gorgeous, of a beautiful color of blue. I can't wait to wear this with everything. Just a plain white shirt would look gorgeous with this. I chose my blue silk blouse because I wanted to really highlight the blue in this. But I'm imagining this with burgundy, with brown, with gray, with all the colors of the season coming up. Very, very beautiful and very wearable and combinable with other bracelets. They have many themes for these bracelets. You can choose a Parisian theme, choose a Venetian theme if you like Italian things, something to do with the holidays. They have Christmas, they have Easter. Right now they have the cutest ones for Halloween. I just saw the recent ones that have come in. Oh my gosh, goblins, little ghosts, all kinds of jack-o'-lanterns, just adorable. Take a look at the website. When you finish watching this video, you're going to want to go over there and see everything, and you'll be amazed at the prices and at the quality and also the variety. And the next piece I want to show you are the earrings. I'm going to put them on for you right now. It's a gold loop with the most stunning burgundy little charm on it. The earring clicks in so it's secure on you, and I'm going to put the other one on so you can see it. These charms are removable as well, so you can just wear the loop alone if you prefer and put the charms on a bracelet. And if you want to have really cool earrings, you can put one charm on one and a different on the other one, mismatched. That's very cool, but look at this. If you get any earrings for fall and winter, these are the ones that I think would be stunning because it has the color of the season, which is burgundy. It has that beautiful gold that is so rich. It shows so beautifully without being overpowering. They are lightweight. They don't weigh down my ears. Love, love, love these. Everything you can order online. It's not a long wait. And shipping is free over $39. It has a 30-day return policy and 365 days warranty. What you're getting is high quality. And they also have 2 stores in Paris. One is in the trendy Marais area. It's the flagship store, and then they have a separate boutique just for charms. So if you're in Paris, do pop in. I'm going to be there at the end of November, and I'm definitely going to visit their store because I know I'm going to get some more charms. I'm in love with their product. For the measuring, you have a guide on the website. It'll show you exactly how to measure your wrist and also how to allow for beads. So I measured my wrist and then I put 2 fingers in to allow for adding beads. That way you know it's not going to be too tight and it falls really nicely on your wrist when you're walking and when you're eating. Just rested, you have all the beautiful charms showing, all of them showing and sparkling and looking gorgeous. Be sure to take a look at their website, shop to your heart's content, and use my coupon SSK20 for 20% off of everything. And let me know if you get anything or what you love the most. I'm so thrilled with this jewelry line. I'm very happy to bring it to you. And please give it a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for being here and watching and enjoying this video with me. See you on the next one. Bye now.